Hello everyone, my name is Aji Maradi Saifatullah, and right now I want to do a presentation about Project 1 Pre-Intermediate Grammar. Conditional sentence. Conditional sentence are used to talk about situation and their results. There are four main types of conditional sentence. This type of conditional sentence, number one, zero conditional. Zero conditional is used for fact, general truth, or scientific fact. Patternnya if plus simple present. They use simple present. Okay. Zero conditional are used to talk about things that are always true, such as facts, fakta, scientific truth, habits, rules, general situation. The result in a zero conditional always happens when the condition happens. If study hard, they get good grades. Explanation: the sentence shows a common result or habit. Studying hard usually leads to good grades. Everyone knows it. Okay. Second one, first conditional. First conditional is used for real or possible situations in the future. Pattern: if plus simple present, but it will plus verb 1. Okay, it uses verb 1. If they win the match, they will celebrate. That's the example. And for explanation, winning is still uncertain but possible. Celebration will happen only if they win. The third one, second conditional. Okay, wait. Okay. The second conditional is used for unreal or imaginary situation in the present. The pattern: if plus simple present, but it would plus verb 1. Okay. For example, if she study hard, if she study harder, she will get better grades. Explanation: sentence talk about an unreal or unlikely situation. Maybe she does not, she doesn't study hard now. Maybe. The fourth one, third conditional. There is four type of conditional sentence, and this is the last one. Third conditional. Third conditional is used for unreal situation in the past. The pattern: if plus past perfect. Uh, Now it would have plus verb 3. Not verb 1 again, but it verb 3. Uh, for example, if he had practiced more, he would have won the competition. Explanation: he did not practice enough in the past. Okay. The second one, because of that, he lost the competition. This is important notes. Third conditional talks about regrets, missed opportunities, imaginary past situation. Okay. Now, new topic. Subjunctive text. Sorry. Subjunctive text. The definition and function with. Sorry, I mean it's subjunctive with. Maybe typo, miscommunication. The definition and function with is used to express regret, desire or complain about situations that are different from reality. Wish for there is three type of subjunctive wish. Okay, number one, wish for present situation. Wish for present situation is used to express something that is not true now. That is not true now. Maybe later it's true, but now it's not true. The pattern wish plus simple past. Okay. Example: I wish live near my university. Dekat. Analisisnya, the analysis, the speaker does not live near the university now. Live in simple past. But the meaning is present. Okay. Number two, wish for past situation. We use wish plus past perfect to talk about regret in the past, things we want to change from the past, situation that did not happen, that didn't happen. For example, I wish I had studied harder. The speaker did not study hard in the past. Now the speakers regret it. Number three, wish for future situation. For future wishes, which we usually use it express desires for change, hope, annoyance, or complaint. For example, I wish you would stop making noise. The speakers wants the person to change their behavior in the future. This is for original sentence wish. I wish I had saved more money last year. She wish her internet would stop disconnecting during class. They wish they lived closer to their grandparents. He wish he wishes he had not forgotten his best friend's birthday. Okay, for part two, correct paragraph. This is passive voice. I will read this paragraph. Last year, a new policy was introduced by the company to improve productivity. Several employees were given additional training. Some department were reorganized to be more efficient. The new system was implemented by the IT team last month. Some tasks must be finished before the deadline, and reports should be submitted every Friday. Training sessions were conducted by external consultant, and all staff are required to attend them. By the end of the program, many improvements had been achieved by the organization. This is error analysis passive voice. Okay, is introduced. It must be was introduced, not is. This is incorrect. This is incorrect because the sentence refers to the past or last years. So past passive tense is needed. It was. Employees was given. Employees was given. Employees were given. It's incorrect because the plural subject employees must use were, not was. Are reorganized. Were reorganized. Yeah, this is Incorrect again because the paragraph used the past time context. Yes, so past passive form is required. Has implement was. This is because this is a past participle. Okay, must finish, must be finished. Incorrect because model passive structure must use be plus past participle. Should submit, should be submit. Again, it must use be plus past participle. Were conducted use ed. Incorrect because passive voice requires the past participle conducted. Okay, use ed. Required to attend. Incorrect because required must be followed by infinitive form to attend. Have been achieved. Again, it use ed. Incorrect because present perfect passive requires a past participle. Again, it past participle. Implement, the last one. Implemented. Again, it use ed. Incorrect because passive constructions require the past participle form. Okay, this is error analysis for passive voice. Right now, I will read a substantive paragraph. Many students feel stressed during exam and often say they wish they had more time to study. We like that. Some of them wish they are understood the material better before the test. Okay. One student said he wished he had studied harder last semester, while another mentions she wished she could finish our assignment earlier. They also wish their lectures would give less homework. In group discussion, several students expressed that they wish they didn't feel anxious during presentation. Overall, they wish everything is easier in their academic life. This is for error analysis, yeah. Wish they have. This is incorrect because it must be wish they had, because under present wish use past simple tense. Are understand. It must be understood because the structure after wish should use past form. He wish. Now it use ed again. He wish. Incorrect because the reporting verb should be in past sentence. If it past sentence, it will be used ed. Okay. Studied harder last semester. Had studied harder last semester. Incorrect because it must use had and studied harder last semester. She can finish. She could. Incorrect because under situation after which commonly use could, not can. Lectures will give. Lectures would give. Again, it would, could. Incorrect because complain or future wishes use would. Okay, it would, not could. They don't feel. They didn't feel. Right, because present and real wishes require past simple tense. Everything is easier. Everything were easier. Incorrect because formal subjunctive use were are understood again. Incorrect because auxiliary are cannot be combined with base verb. Understand in this structure. Wish have, it must be wish had. Incorrect because wish for unreal present situations requires past sentence. Past tense. This is the proverb for conditional sentence. If students study hard, they will pass the exam easily. If you heat water, it boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Many people believe that if they had more money, they would be happier in life. Last semester, if the lecturer explained the topic clearly, students understood it better. If I knew about the assignment earlier, I would submit it on time. If she studied harder, she would pass the final test in general. If people work hard, they achieve their goals faster. This is the error analysis for conditional sentence. Will pass. Will pass. It must be will pass. Incorrect because modal verb must be followed by base verb. Will boils. It boils. Incorrect because zero conditional use simple present in both clauses. They have more money. They had more money. Correct because the second conditional use past simple tense. Conditional sentence is opposite. It use they have. It use they had, but in conditional sentence, it opposite of conditional sentence. It opposite of subjunctive ways, because it use had, not have. Okay. Incorrect because second conditional use past simple tense. Past simple. They will be happier. They will be happier. Incorrect because second conditional requires will. Lectures explain. Lecture explain. It use ed. Incorrect because the sentence refers to past situation. If I know, if I knew. Incorrect because second conditional use past simple. I will submit, I will submit. Incorrect because second conditional requires would in the main clause. She will pass. She will pass. She would pass. Incorrect because would must be followed by base verb. People will work hard. People work hard. Again, it's not future. If it's future, it would use will. Because it's simple present tense, it doesn't use will. Okay, the last one, pass. Pass, use ed. Incorrect because verb after modal auxiliaries must be in base form. This is a correct paragraph, the last correct paragraph. Direct speech versus reported speech. The lecturer said that students had to submit the assignment the following day. He also said they had been working on a new project the previous week. One student said, I have finished my homework, and the lecturer reported that the student is finished his homework. Another student said that I came late yesterday, which confused everyone. The lecturer said that he would explain the material the next day, but later he said, I explained it yesterday. At the end of the class, he said, you can ask me questions now. And the students reported that they could ask him questions then. This is the last error analysis. Said that students must submit this is incorrect. The correct one said that students had to submit, not must. Incorrect because reported speech does not use quotation marks and requires tense backship. Tomorrow, the following day. Incorrect because time expressions change in reported speech. Are working, had been working. Incorrect because reported speech requires tense backship. Last week, the previous week. Incorrect because time expressions times expressions change in reported speech. I am finished. I have finished. Incorrect because the sentence use the wrong verb structure. Student is finished. This is incorrect. The correct one is student had finished. Incorrect. Yes, incorrect because reported speech requires past perfect after past reporting verbs. I will come late yesterday. This is incorrect. The correct one is I came late yesterday. Correct because will cannot be used with past time expressions. Told that, said that. Incorrect because tell must be followed by an object. This is gak ada objeknya. Will explain. Would explain. Incorrect because modal verbs must be followed by base verb. Yeah. The last one. This is the last one. Can ask, could ask. Incorrect because modal verbs must use the base form on the verb of the verb. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching and watch and hear me for 22 minutes. Yeah, this is project one. Sorry sir because I upload so late lah because aku dapat infonya baru kemarin. Dapat info ternyata ada project karena aku ternyata nggak masuk grup. Aku nggak masuk grup intermediate grammar. Jadi aku baru masuk dan dapat info kalau ada project grammar baru lusa. Kemarin 2 hari kemarin. Dan sedangkan semalam saya lagi kerja di Tangerang. Okay. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much and see you in the next project. Goodbye.